All right, good evening. Good evening. I am tired, but I'm going to push my way through this. I don't know how this is going to work out tomorrow, but you will see. And I think I'm going in this direction. Just notice I didn't even twist this one. I'm always leaving something out. All right, guys, that took me 6 minutes and 50 seconds. And I'm going to, you'll see, I did speed it up. Good morning, good morning. It's now time to take these out and see exactly what I have today. This is a first, I have no clue. You guys, that took me 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Now, I have these little smaller ones that I have hanging like crazy, but it's gonna work for me today. I do believe my hair looks like combined locks. Yes, so today I'm wearing a curled combined lock look. So just tell me what you think about this look. Yeah. It may go one more day because today is Thursday. And when I say one more day, maybe I'll be taking it out because it's getting to the point where I need to shampoo my hair. So I may take it out and wear a loose Sisterlock look tomorrow from these twists. And I'll come back with another video, of course. I'm going to try to keep this out of my face and keep on going. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my followers and my subscribers. I especially love God because He's been so good to me. His mercies are new every morning, even on a chilly morning like this in the month of May. His mercies are still new. Have a great day.